Alright YouTube, what's up man? It's your boy, Gamma Rose, come back to another one. So I'm kind of finally showing y'all the actual car itself. This is the exterior of the BMW 535i that I recently got. One thing you'll notice is right here on the back. So because of that, instead of just fixing it, I'm just replaced the whole rear bumper. But that's also kind of why I said I wanted to go with the M5 kit, or at least the M Sport kit. Well, I wasn't too concerned with that because we're changing the kit out anyways. So we got the rear bumper. I'm gonna swap out the fenders too. I gotta see what all goes into putting M5 fenders on the 5 Series. I gotta see what all goes into that because, like I said, I do want to do the bumper. I want to do the hood. I want to do the fenders. I want to do the rear bumper. I want to do the side skirts. But if you look here, we actually have like a dent here. I could probably pop that out pretty easily. But like I said, I do want to go for the whole you dig. Front bumper is fine, honestly. I mean, I could just get the little cover that goes right there, or those individually, fix that. That'll be through. But yeah, this is pretty much it. A lot of people were asking me, they were like, dang man, all we saw was you in the car. We didn't get a chance to see the car. So here is the car. I think for the most part, it's in pretty good condition. I mean, like I said, it does have some body stuff, as you can see. But all in all, I mean, I like it. I've been enjoying it. Got it for a really good price, so why not? Also, as you see, we got our logo right there. Got Gamma Rose right there. And I mean, you guys have heard the car multiple times from the outside. I guess now would be a good time to go over kind of plans we have for the car. First, we have maintenance I want to do, which is the oil change that's coming up, coolant flush, replacing a couple of gaskets, like we're doing the oil filter housing gasket, oil cooler gasket, valve cover and valve cover gasket. Water pump and thermostat right now seem fine, so I don't really see a reason to do those. I might do them anyway just because I drain on the coolant to do the flush anyways, so I figured why not go ahead and do those while I'm in there. I also got to get in there and figure out what's going on with my heat. We're still in summer right now, but fall and winter is gonna come up pretty fast. And right now my heat just blows ice cold. I'm pretty confident I might have to replace the blower motor. I'm getting this weird sound from the blower motor whenever it's turned up really high. So we'll have to look at that. I think it's called like the heater control valve. Now mods wise, charge pipe, down pipes. I want to do like a complete proper exhaust because it's pretty much straight pipe after the cats. I might keep my straight pipes. We'll see. When we get closer to doing that, we'll see how it goes, how I'm feeling. Of course, I want to do MHD tune, XHP tune, and then like I guess the M5 body kit. And I got a couple interior mods I want to do. Like I wanted the X-Tron's 14.9-inch CarPlay touchscreen, a custom steering wheel. I don't really care about doing the M Sport. That's not too important to me. The M Sport wheel, I might do it, I might not. If I find a good one, then yeah, we'll do it. But all in all, I think I'll probably just go ahead and just get a custom one made. A little more expensive, but what's not expensive for these cars, right? I'm thinking I'll probably just get the car wrapped, of course, wheel and tires. If you guys have some ideas, you know, hey, send them my way, man. You know, like maybe y'all have some good ideas, maybe I like them, maybe I don't, whatever. Send them my way, you know, I'll check them out. I'm looking E90X M3 generation wheels, doing those. Those look pretty cool. I think they're called like the M635 or the, you know what? I don't know what they're called. I know there's a letter and some numbers, M369, M369, M365, I forget what it is. But yeah, thinking about doing those wheels, or I have another idea for rims. My bad, I keep touching the screen on my camera because I'm messing around. I'm using a DJI Osmo Action 4 with the Bluetooth mic attachment. So that's kind of why I keep touching the screen. And I also have it on a little small gimbal for action cams. So that's why I like it. I'm trying to keep it steady. Actually, yeah, we're doing a pretty good job keeping it steady. But anyways, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Those are pretty much immediate plans for the Gamma M5. Now I'm playing, let's not calling it that. I promise you, I'm not gonna up-badge the car. We're gonna keep it a 535i. I debadged it. We'll keep it debadged, whatever. But with that being said, I'm finna gonna get up out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And I'm out, coach.